àwọn ẹ̀bà lè gbé o ọ̀rẹ́ akókò gbé yọ ilé mẹ́rin ọ̀rẹ́ yìí àti ìtẹ̀ ò yọ́bọ̀ tẹ̀ ò yẹ̀wò lóògì òjì àfẹ́wẹ́dó wọ́n parí náà ọ̀dẹ̀ mọ́tò láyé adérọ̀rìn rí ẹ o adérọ̀rìn rí ẹ ọ̀rẹ́ pòpégbé ọ̀rẹ́ pòpégbé orí àgbọ̀n ọ̀rẹ́ balẹ̀gbé ọ̀rẹ́ pòpégbé orí àgbọ̀n. Allez, va vous bébé, hey, Nina, you're à cette tiens au diable. No, Gioji, elle fait wedo, on parie non. Adégoria, oh, Adégoria. Balẹ̀gbé ìwé orí àwọn. Yeah, agbọ̀ngbọ̀n wọn ló ṣe o. Agbọ̀ngbọ̀n wọn ló ṣe. Agbọ̀ngbọ̀n wọn ló ṣe. My people, my people, my wonderful people, good morning. Yeah, good morning everyone. So you can see my message is on general. It's for general. Yeah. This is me, JC, who get just a beg. Share this video. Consign the presenters. It consign the commenters and family. That is why I just put it very short. This message is for general. Share it A lot of people hear the voice of the lady JC Ugiagbe, one and lonely. Yeah, this is me, JC Ugiagbe, one and lonely. Where am I going to start from? I don't even know. Where? I must start from somewhere. I must start from somewhere. I go start from somewhere. Is it for the? I should start from the presenters, some presenters, or some commenters, or those that look anyanya when you know even they comment at all. Where I want start safe. And it's still concerned family. Hello, my lovely, amazing ladies. It's still concerned family. Oh, that's why I say general. I beg. Now good morning. Now good morning. Now that lady will be say it's stuff they do at home when you know they find trouble for social media. Now she they talk so. JC Ugiagbe. Now remember one video when I do one certain time, tell me I say one day I go tell now my life story. People when they know me, they will say, oh, not be so it happen, so it happen. You understand? I go tell them my life story. If no one my can't save my dear. I don't see something for this life. And about it, sir. So that is why this message just go to everybody, generally, shots. So general, where am I even start? I should start for myself, or I should start from the presenters, or I should start from some families. Let me start from somewhere. Let me just start from somewhere. My people, long time, OZ, I agree to artists now. Compliment of the season. Well done. So, may I start from somewhere. Now, me be JC Ugiagbe. Wanna know when you know the but for social media, when they come out for a purpose. She know they come out, she know they come out every day, but she they come out for a purpose. I know they carry the come out every day. I go they miss some broken anyone when it enter my mouth. I know me now. I think they hit times. I think they knock her. You understand? So one thing first. Let me just start from here. My beloved people, my lovely ones, not too much. And I know say some people they do something, they'll say tomorrow not day. They'll say tomorrow not day. So tomorrow day. As far God when He creates you and those people. Now they say hearts when He give you. They say eyes when He give you. God not differentiates human being. God not differentiate human beings. Even though they born you know they waka. At the same level God put everybody. Do you understand? So if this message, if it affects you, I not do one for one person, truly speaking, I not do this message for one person. If it still affects me when they talk, when it sit down for years. So this JC Ugiagbe when it sit down for year, the message go still if it still affects me, I don't need to claim it as personal now, because the way when you just say it in my mouth, now I go say and read jam. You get one video when I see me, I start from a family. You get one video when I see yesterday, one lady they cry, say her junior sister they insult her. I see and Monica bring the video come out. Now Monica do the video. Oh, she they insult me. When I listen to the video, I say you want to know quick? That's when you understand. Let's say some new starts. Why you they cry? Make she insult you. Now your sister. You understand? No family when that thing not they happen. No family. If I tell you say my whole family perfect, now lie. My sister, my little bit of advice for you. Go and clean your tears. Clean your tears. You understand? Nowhere where not there. Na mama there. Or where how they say talk. There is a Nojima Vegbe or Tigba Daze. Now understand? Some people will say, social media will not tell family. Yes, me and the quarrel put before say, man, how you bring your family matter to social media? How you go to tell social media go to advise your family issue. Sometimes when you see and say the thing they go like it don't go to the length that you cannot handle. You understand? It's possible that people can talk and you will have joy. You understand? You will just have joy. You will have joy for that thing when you did. Maybe by the time when you go bring that matter enter social media, people will come to say, you don't do now. Some people will come and say, "Una not get family." Some people come and say, "Una not get okagbe." Some people will say, "You not get what you dey do? Why you bring and carry your matter enter house?" Some people will say, "Why you go dey talk your issue, your marriage, your name?" You know, not say the verse and the quarrel put. My brothers and sisters, I'm not my me or my can saver. Where I mean, you that is. I don't know as I'll talk. You go that is. You go jam. I'm a family okba nero egbe. I'm a family okba ero. Or when we na erin egbe abe make una help me share this video. No family wey not dey body if you come and say you no feel happy for my family na lie. Now lie you talk. No family when you know the especially your junior one. If you see and say be like say your voice, people they understand. Not be say you they underrate your senior ones. Maybe your senior ones, your idea what they bring. People they help the family and your idea they move the family. Your junior one it can just come until we bring it down. Yes. It go bring you down. No family. My sister Esther. Now you are the turtle so. No family when that thing not say. No cry. Wipe your tears. Una no say when you hear the young lady, you hear no fit talk to all those women. Top players say that is they don't fit talk to their children. Top players say they don't old. You understand? So say why make bear, why we ra, why no la go. I guess second je, my second je na gwan. If you reach your old time, you go know say some back, especially if they don't like one side. They don't like one side. Some people say now, you go they follow them, they play. You go they talk to them. Now waiting, both your brother and sister now they talk. So now waiting you they bring come out for your own side. They go they tie and time. They don't tell me now when you have violate. And this one a family issue like this, so and then all my sister, my brother, nowhere where not there. Your whole family not today perfect. Your family, if me tell you say my whole family they perfect, now lie, now me they say una. No family they perfect, especially if they don't know. Say, for instance, me be so and they do live video. Make una join me share this video because very important. It they large. I will taste more for this live video. I never take. I know they come out and I know they stay long for live video. But for this one, I will stay long small. You understand? Because many things they when I will talk about. I will talk about presenters, some presenters. I will talk about some commenters. Many things there. You understand? That's why I say this message for general. Make una share and make people listen. You understand? Even though people will not there yet, now they will listen later. So my beloved people, make I tell you now. your tears, my sister. Nowhere where you not dey. You understand? So your junior ones go even dey plan with that your senior, with that so your senior one when you even dey respect, they go still come out, they go dey plan with that your junior one, make it for insult you and make you foresee. Do you understand? Wipe your tears. Some other day, where what go even day, some other go carry the junior one, they go use wrapper tie am for back. Do you understand? Why are you crying? Don't cry. Hey, Vie. Na my mi akpote na my mi akpote ejo wo ko ni wi ro ni gbona ri so emi opa yi ro na my mi e. My sister ragbon ya gbe to everybody body. Nobody want it perfect. No family. Some people go come and say, hey, those people presenters, live video people na no dey share, Benin people na no dey share, Benin people na no dey share. Now they cause many things. So make I fell leave that one na family issue at this. So now family issue na day. I told her, I say one day I go talk my story. My story long. It long well. Do you understand? One day I go tell you my story, and that I go even tell you my name when my father give me, when my mama give me. You understand? This Jesse Ugiagbe. Now I think it's Aduro. This Jesse. Now I think it's Aduro for Europe. Now let me they answer that name. Because you don't say now when I come up for house now, you understand? Many people now, they will see my face, they say, no, be you with this. They'll go, they write me for message, I'll say, now me. I not change, now not see me as I be. I know they do artificial to put those things for it. Many people will say, she don't get money to buy. No. I said, we get a lot of topics. So more fell leave that one. No be so. Now, I did ordinary. Ordinary now I be. Now understand my people. So all those things, my sister, no cry. Your sister, they come out, they insult you, they bring it come out. Now, your junior sister for that matter, she feel say that one don't finish. Tomorrow she go see the junior one. When he go insult her, when be say he go talk sensitive to he or her head. Do you understand? No matter what, even though na one day, now your sister testing you, your brother testing you, you go respect her. My sister, not let her hurt you. It's them me when they talk to you, say them my body. You when they look me, so it's them your body. Now, no, come on, they go they say, make una enter house. As I do, not say I dey say kitchen. Benin people are not they shake. Why Benin people not they shake? Benin people they talk their feelings out. That is why. They talk their feelings out. What did they pay them for body? They were once social media they come out. Now, not how many people when social media don't deliver. It don't deliver many people. It don't deliver many people. Benin people, they not too get strong mind. That is why body go they pepper Benin people. Hey, go just come out. Because why? They not get that wicked mind when they say go they kill their brother for sight. When they go they point it their brother, when they say they point it their sister. Benin people not be like that. That's why they blah 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 blah. Do you understand? As we just they talk, the thing go they come out to our mind. We go they release for bondage. Now I make one of the see Benin people now when they comment, because many of them still be Benin, because if you not be Benin, if I speak Benin now, you not go know what they talk, but you know if you go comment for them, but you will see the comment say Benin people not make them enter us. Sometimes not be their fault, Sometimes not be their fault, not be their fault. Anything when they happen for person life, for person body, when we say it never, even though it never happen for your own, if it never happen for your time, it don't happen for your own mama time. It don't happen for your papa time. You understand? If it never happen for your time, maybe you go see happen for your own children to come. You understand? Nowhere where you not there. You understand? When your sister knows, say your brother knows, say see the kind person when you be. Now that person go, now that your brother, I'm telling you the truth, it dey everywhere, they my family I beg. Now that your brother, your sister go first come out, go say, me I go tell the people who you be. Then they look and say you be better person. And she or he don't know that you are respecting her or he because of the family owner for come. Waiting another person no fit do for you, do to you. Now only your sister go do am when it goes free. Nobody go fit try am. If you look back, you say no, person like me, na so me they talk. If I lose some people, I say, hey, this person, no, I don't want jam, because some kind of things they when we say you go do. People say, where say where you ain't give no where masha. If you not talk like that, I know what you do, it's not good. My sister, clear your tears. Your sister insult you, your sister curse you, your sister do all those things. No let her pay you. It's everybody body. You don't see an amigo with the brother. Now today, you don't see an amigo with the brother. When your brother they insult her, you don't see two of them for social media because of woman. In there every family, no one way not there. See an amigo with a JB. Now an amigo make JB come out. Now an amigo, now he make JB come out. Now not see the way when JB they insulted an amigo like water. Now not see her. As they tell people now say they insult my you they beat who are bije begani. You they beat mama. You they do this one. No be brother. Now in the insult. Now you itself, now in the disgrace. I don't know an amigo before on social media for no on Facebook and for no one. So I don't still know that he brought that before. Because say nothing when you saw come out to say because an amigo talk to your wife. How an amigo how you go there talk to your wife? You don't get that right. Your senior brother, no matter what. You don't get that right. When you go talk to your brother, talk to your wife. Now see, tomorrow may God not let you see bad thing that your wife will run leave you, your brother no go run leave you. It's there my body, my own body there. Me, I don't talk to my own junior sister husband. My junior sister come and insult me. How dare you talking to my husband? How dare you, my own junior sister? Yes, it's there everybody body. It's there everybody body. My sister. Awe no ka me memory aso do I don't know how to say it. Now first see. Now you the la like a go. Now you the la. It's there everybody but no family way not there. No family. Make a keep on. You go there for silence. Now make some people they voice out. They will come free. For them to go they hide, they take medicine. They go voice the hearts. Do you understand? Your life, your past story. If you want to hear them, call your brother. Call them, make they call your brother, your sister. Now they go tell people how you take they live, how you take live before when you never even marry. Girl, when you go come out, brother, when you go come out, sister, when you go come out, you go say, go make some aware. Even at music, every music, me. You will carry your voice, insult your own brother, your own sister, because of your wife, because of your husband. Ezo wa mi na yakpo bije. Ezo oya bitsan, ami na yakpo bije no matter what. Obijue. That lady feel wrong tomorrow. Run from JB tomorrow. He got what JB go talk rich. If you come out for social media and say, Jesse, you are a wish. You are my sister. Call me a wish. People will run for you too. Because the same one, we grow up from the same home. If you don't know, bring your sister down. You are a prostitute. People will run for you too because you have the same blood. The same is still flowing on you. Go and tell your husband that you don't have the right. My sister don't have the right to talk to you. Anyone talk to you, I stop there. I give them the shits. Man, you are going to suffer it tomorrow. Who about you, Jaibakwe? Tell your husband, who is she? Who is she or who is him to talk to me? Let me bring it down before my husband. You're going to suffer it tomorrow. You're going to suffer it tomorrow. You're going to suffer it tomorrow. Let me tell you. You are on social media. Some people do like a JB brother. He knows that an amigo get social media. Now see, he want to tell the people. He knows that an amigo get a lot of enemy. You want to tell they say, now my brother, anything when I talk, they go believe me. My brother, you are fooling yourself. You are disgracing yourself. I'm telling you the truth. Like that Jennifer, I don't know the Jennifer. I've never even set my hand on her one day. I don't know her. Like that Jennifer that's come and bring your sister come out from Facebook, you disgrace yourself. Nobody you disgrace. You are disgracing yourself. You understand? Is there everybody body? Some people don't understand. Una know say some family they matter go they happen. Even though they don't get papa again, they don't get mama again. Their senior brother, senior sister will be there. They will be taking they will be siding one side. So we don't even talk. They will just wait to see what's going to happen in the next hour. Of which is not done. Who will bring the family down? And why have when the matter is when there is matter, when there is problem in family, quickly handle that issue so that we should not go beyond before other people will come and talking into that issue. Many people tell me, okay, when we go, we take our self. No, that is the concern. That is the family matter that I'm trying to say about. My sister, don't cry again. See your voice message from Monica. When Monica bring it out, I think 3 days ago, 2 days ago. Why are you crying? Wipe your tears. You are crying like that. Your sister will say, "You get a one love or you have via social media." Who be that your sister? Forget that. Nobody will not get her. Tomorrow, anybody when you go come and tell you say, "Ekwemu where? Area to one now." Put her down. Put her down. I will never come out. No, but we know where we not take. Now, not all those junior one. Now they want to they do like this. If I will be cannot take me, I dey talk to my senior, and I know they insult my senior. I dey talk sense into my senior head. I don't insult senior. It's even not to even not to anyone that said that I ever insult them. Even though with the quarrel, I go talk to them words. I they give them words. I know they insult my senior. They not take and train me, but some children the moment they don't see boy wait don't carry them for back. No, I what you can say. Like this is an amigo brother JB. You say tomorrow you don't know what is tomorrow is going to be. My people, sometimes even as soon why you got you know you go too far. No, it's not good to use that language. You go too far. It's not good. Because some people, what is some people they do? They don't say that thing. If they do it to them, they will not take it from you. They will not take it from anybody. But they will be doing it to you. Tomorrow, when you take when you take action, they will say you too go far. That is sometimes I can look at person like me, I'm telling you people the truth today. The character I don't exhibit in my own family. I don't try to go and exhibit it in my marriage because of the way the thought that for me and not loving me. I don't do that. I don't do that. A character will want me working. This is me. As you can see me bob my hair like this. Imagine back there, my character is like that. A character in me because I know that my character is good. The same character, I talk to her direct. If I can talk to my mother, why I will not talk to my mother-in-law? I don't insult my own brothers and sisters, my senior ones. I cannot insult where I married from. I don't do that. It's here, but I can now not talk. My people, they know me say, yeah, I go where I mean, I run, I go where that is what they know me for. Because, oh, that is me. But now he prays a lot or that is kind of person I am. But it's here, but over here, not here. No matter was straight and direct. I talk to him or her. That is me. He was straight. Sister, what time I know na area with me, eh? Area with me, brother, area with me. They don't really here. But I never insult. If I insult any one of them, they should call me direct on my live video and say it. We were not here, but me, go but my sister, if you know that you have never insulted your senior one, that your junior sister Jennifer, she's insulting you. Leave her for God to judge her. Leave her. Except maybe you are doing it. If you know you are not doing it, leave her for God to judge her. No matter what. Even though na one day testing you get can in any work be. You any in any work be. Who don't do arrow your 2 not dion. Who what not dion that no ya got that from work one. How where my people. That one, that's when I see this message. This one. Everybody. Nobody is perfect in this matter. Nobody is perfect in this issue. Nobody. If I open my own family, you go holla. We are there with my family for good. We are there with they for bad. Now so your all still be. And besides tomorrow, one person go come and say, now so your brother do. You begin to say, everybody do everybody not let them a live video who are you. And then me go buy berak bije. Do you understand? I mean, family make better on this soon to talk or was family while talking. I make banana soon. When the major family we are deal with it, or what other weapon on Nigeria. When you are wa deal with me wa video short here with that video o me na ga se gbebo mi am we shi bela tag me ni way short we ya me dey le. Do you understand? Sometimes a family now na wa go man delete them from your life. Person like me, just I don't give a damn. If you call me your own, I call you my own. If you don't call me your own, I mean me die wa. According to Spanish language. I don't care. Who are you? Who do you think you are? I want to bring her down. I want to tell the people about her. Bring your brother in the social media. Bring your sister in the social media. And your sister friend the boy when you get boyfriend. They have when you get wife out there. You go ask whether that your sister don't marry before they do all those things. Whether you don't even know whether that boy gets wife. Someday now some men go they don't know. Some girls don't know whether they get wife. They don't know. At the end when they go know, they will quit for that relationship. Someday they don't know whether the woman don't born because some girls they when they have children. When the boy go know, he go quit. So when they date or when they husband house, when you go they flex, they go for outside. But so that may when they follow them, many of them they don't even know. Who they do live video when they know they insult. Who they do live video when they know they insult. No matter even the pastors when see the day live video, they insult them. How dare you? Then they insult them. Forget respect. Forget. All I know, if you they go, you know, especially your own family, now this family issue now with this, so your own senior brother, your senior sisters, your elderlies, one, especially from your family, I'm talking about your family, not outsider. You know they insult your junior one insult you. Let her go. Let her go to hell and burn to ashes. Don't give a damn. Don't cry. Why are you crying? If anyone, why she's crying? Why? Who are the better power nania? Everybody power no be I sort to next time. Block it ass okay. Ass go block all the family. Block any setting in there. Block it. What do you mean? What the fuck? They don't do things like that. That is why. And another thing, when your family know the man you marry or the woman you marry, they don't want trouble. That time they will want to give you trouble to affect that man or that woman. Yes. If they know your husband, that your husband don't want trouble, your wife don't want trouble. That time they want to be giving you trouble. They want to bring. They will want to be bringing your leg out so that that man will not have peace. Of which you know that your wife will not get respect for anybody, even his own senior sister, brothers. You not get respect for if they talk last born, go they talk to your senior brother like say tomorrow no the which level tomorrow no that the next say everybody dey Europe. Oh mommy Mebe, good morning ma. Other side, good afternoon my love. Huh? What are you saying? What are you saying? What are you saying? What are you saying? You want to tell your husband say, hey, that my sister not get money? That my sister not get money? They don't they do things like that. Oh yeah, go back to the Parliament live video, okay, my darling? They don't do life like that. They don't do life like that. That is the family issue. A family so our wrong, so family day. Matter go dey ground, they go know say that matter where this woman or this man they quarrel put. She write if they want talk one thing, they go say, we work Benny area, I ain't go wrong area. Is that right? Obi oka kedeke to bom bubi no wa o ma go ni retaliate here. Amo go shot. Mrs. Sambai SN1. What do you mean? Oh, Mrs. Sambai SN1. Eh? You are the elder of that family. When they know why a family, you quickly off that issue before it will be too late. Before it will be too late. They don't do things like that. For me, I don't take nonsense. Especially when I deal with her in any way. Or that foreigner misbehave that maybe I was sure I will deal with her. No, my Jessini and I obey it all out. When it be what it be there, me what we share nothing. If I want to deal with you, my bomb white there, but I deal with you physical. In my bomb white there, I deal with you physical. Who are you? You want to tell your husband that you mobile of your terminal. Terminal to your yard, your double beku work on how are you bonjour? They never born you is there now. Eh? They never born you is there at all. They not born you is there. And remind me, you are insulting yourself. You yourself, you are bringing your whole family down for doing that. One who come a family, one who come that for where one who come that for where we tore up by setting good work one. When he may jame and some that for me, go reach my last bond, give them their own respect. That is me. Or going to your telling not to know we are there, or that for me right know your voice. Whatever not the ogwa ho ti ma wa eku women right na ma bia we seva Mario Bolija uto. Who are you to tell your husband that who is this my sister? I will talk to her, I will deal with her, I will disquagua her. You bring your sister, your senior brother out from social media. Why do time me wo to ga agbije regeni? Oga agbera regeni. Why na mu da face to face ho an gbegbo na no mi gogun. O ma lowe. No mira no migo ni when biti moto ni na ge utukpo erani oga to wegugu eh wa yaru mudia na after all etu de do gbe me mawe we are mudia face to face one go na no migo gun ogu emi our the seconds ni we finish we. Do you understand? My junior sister told me once time ago. She told me away when you want about sister on not Nigeria no ka ti agbinye e we ba waje na what gbeme na we and what do you mean by that? He e we bo we ri on you I really draw hand you know see kegbe. My junior sister she grow past me oh. She mature past me. If you see me with her, you to say oh my junior one just say madam. You to say the senior me well. You know see kegbe I go tell you sister you when you what time away on I got na Nigeria me tin agbe me na we obi okan na o ojo be yen tola o edi wa ya se kegbe na we no mi wa se o you wo you cog in me ate o da for tele ni ma ma o sun ye because he ma ka be like me o da for tele ya kere ginegbe ken wa gbe wa you know opportunity ya agwo me opportunity ya agwo me only opportunity ya agwo me brother say me I pie me be na because obi okan na wo ma wo tie bo me so ma agwo o ma agwo wa gbe wa ma to ne kede no ina because o re ma water baga o na ga na Nigeria na ka tin agbiyin do you know we no ri mo ri o me gbe bodi na tin gbe na no mi ba se ko na gele lolo na no na me na no no yo nu da for me na do apia me gine gine me ate cause on you maka like me ma we you maka like me ma we you understand because I'm not gwa me ke I'm not tell me ke me ati me ma me ati ororo I be person like that una ga da for teme una wa ga da for teme una ga wo ko teme e no ko sa ne family me egun ajo wa gun ajo di ogwa no life a family me no egun ajo okon ti ma wo bi se me gba gbele gbo egun ajo u do ri ba do ri oko ri ba do moto you don't have rights you don't have that right this is me talking Jesse who get me read my lips egun ajo egun ajo ijo ni agwo ma ku u do ri oko do ri omoto okon mi no wa jo wo tele joja me egun ajo if you want to make peace, you can make peace. But then the okay when you don't do that level, it may be that for me. I will behave immediately. What you hear better? As someone like where I listen, where gia what people listen. That is me. Who are you? Who are you? That is about the family issue. My sister right here. And amigo, where they go? Ziegbe no ga de gbobo. No ga de gbobo. Ami o mo pa wa gbon ami egbe no ro egbe eranu mi go mo da tun e ka eni agu gbiju wa eru we wa do we ka gbiju we ne ogwe me be fe abi o no na be mi no be west story we we eri oje bebo na titi phone wado ka mo ta fo we ami o pa no ami ri o pa no ti ro be family we is it prestige wado ta mo ka we o tele no ti no ya ijoja na ne ke no tegbe o tegbe me ni mejo wo ka gbe me sa ka nyo tele ke la we yin na we go na do yin we gbe na ga yin me mo bi o kan to gbodo me fo is la la de gwi e de no me no wa ya mu me no because the money we ya ta me we la wo o we gbe fuli me ko because he me ga we to we purposely we that's the issue. No time I will sorry. Keep your sorry between yourself. Akwa waro imutao. That is me. Why go via? Esther? Don't cry. Leave Jennifer. Let her do what she wants to do. Ebony on your where? If any man say just one of nekere my robi wete. Who ye rak modele na? Who ye rak bon? That is it, my dear. Forget that thing. Run me go 20 e bonwe. O la dawe do ale lo total lo ni wa bisu gbe we ya me viewers bisu gbe when we are mutia face to face he cannot dare you o ya we meje na ti menekere o wa gbo wo ti ye ke popo o ye we me ga mutia o go to police me na we ni mi awu me e gwere oh police mutia that is me oh no mu kakabo oh se iyo ni agun iyo ni amo iyo ni ofedoma iyo ofedoma yo gyogegie he needs because he mo ire de mufua iwa mo ire de mufua my we agun ne iyo ni gile le work because one we do amume because eme afo we ko money ofo we ko ma we fo so me ya woman work you we do amume so for that reason iyo ni gile le work because me da fo we ko no ya gbe me wa that is me. So that is for the family. La go it's telling ko. Una egbo we una ga atiyan wo e mata na asunu warere agun ajo. Una ga atiyan una e wo di okay family we to ne gi e problem they sitting down. Settle that issue for them before it go too late. Because of Berabane Wija, why not Jonathan by kind? Or to not low, it's sorting on the senior ones. ya tu wa meti gwa ye me na wa ke do mu ade live video insult no kwa no insult no mata na re why re yo ball le e mi gba mu ti awe e mata ro to we do mu da na we lo ka gba popa ne u ke do gun aso ori ara ri ari ne yagi e no ma ke na talo ma gba talo ma gbe na even use settlement ni even use e even use only get settlement e me na ate to ni kele na tie we brother sister we no sunu re gun aso so wa mi amo ne mere ke gbe say our measure. People call me wish, people call me wicked person, people call me this and me, I don't give a damn because I won't no make a big. That's a gareva, or give me whatever in it. You understand? And that's what you said. Who will progress apple where day? I beg every yamata. Who will progress apple where day? Even what will quit a bogway. It will give you hydrancy. Yes. It will give you big problem. It will be jealousing you. So I mean Beneje, Egbo Baro Neje, on the not Agbuwe, when I fear for me. If we are here, we're not for 9, we are here, dear, when I have a ball ye. I will tattoo where some are where they are happy about their situation. Yes, they are happy about it. They don't yes. Emma, what's the way? Abitu wa woge iya ni mo e mata de social media ni iya family e family iya re gun aya mata e so aro so yen gun aya o ti wona ijolo suwe we me do we me e to jolo suwe o ni wa wa yin do we problem do ta ma wewe nu we gwere ya e gun aso o nu gbe ya problem yen leje abeg gba ga gbera to ni no ma do atale no ma keke na talo na do we all those one now that one for the family my sister avie gbo agbe Evie kaka Evie Jennifer Esther don't cry oh Evie ke Jennifer wa atalo Evie ewere awo ka we de no we joja na ko no ma we ga obi ra bi je obi o ka we be de o to to we joja na I shot we ko ga mo ni ko be bi o be joja na on e be no be je be that is life we no ma ruji not say we no bi o ka do ruji no we de ni ya we receive now that is it. That is it. No. So, I know say this, my message is all general. If you affect you, take them. If you don't affect you, leave them. The one when it concern you for inside, carry and enter house. The one when you know say that will not be my thorough, throw away. That is it. So, the next topic is commenters. Commenters, bravo. Bobonu wa. Waragire, wa we make una enter house. Waragire, make una enter house. Waragire, make una enter house. Now bush the day, bush the day. You not responsible. And when I go to total way, responsible way. Ede wa tato we ye. Error. Abere we na no somali we yak mo Mariana. Una not responsible make una enter house Benin people. Katam Wabam Benin people they voice us. Benin people not get strong mind. Now me they voice at one of the hear Benin people voice. They not get wicked mind like that. Now make una they hear Benin people matter. Now not see. Now go there comment. They destroy people. Now go there comment. They cause problem for another person marriage. All those things, you don't get happy. I said tell you now once about 3 years ago, maybe 2 years plus ago. I don't feel tell you now. You don't get help. Nobody will not their body. So I see the soccer they consist. Nobody. I mean on the nobody will not their body. Anyone, any topic when it will just come out, the one when you affect to take an enter, the one will not affect to throw away. So where? Una go let people when be say never reach come the talk to una. It not make sense now. I beg. I will no more go why you so now waiting person left for house until they reach outside. You understand? like all those commenters now where they destroy from here. Now all those one, now if family go get problem tomorrow when you go feel settled there. No. When you go come out tomorrow, I'll tell you what, no one, oh wow, I'll tell you now. Ọ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ náà ìwà ọ̀rẹ́ o. Ọ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ náà ìwà ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ ó wà ọ̀tọ̀ ẹlẹ́rẹ̀ẹ́dọ́. Whereas you don't know am. Comot out for speaker. We get wetin I wan tell you. Comot am. Na lie. Na lie. Na you just wan see destroy that place. E no good eh? E no good. May I just shut that one for there. Make I shut that one beg commenters. Make una dey respect una self sometimes. I beg all those evil comments oh, not be I know if una see my Facebook na real people na just say oh, I not if I even get fake account they not go even reach 20 or 10. They not go even reach 10. You understand? I'm real people. I get a waiting list. People when they send me requests when I no accept more than many of them I no accept because some people dey na as they do live video they send message you go tell they say I be married woman. They not go hear oh they will begin call the toast again because say I'm not just tired apart. No, they not they do things like that. You understand? So someday you tell them I be married woman oh this one they will be Google they come they call you for live video all those things. All those kind of things not good. Person accept you for live video. You know me say may you be boyfriend, now me can accept you. You know me say may you talk about relationship, now me can accept you. You understand? So if he accept you, maybe you get what you see for your profile, all those kind of things, you know. Some people did now they get some dressing, tailors, all those fashion, the designer, many things. You understand? So you know me saying a boyfriend they fine for dear. Anybody accept you as a friend, you are a married woman, stay away from that person. If you know you cannot make a married friend, hello, good morning, you live there. Block that person. Block her. Not good. So now that one be that one. Now not see the latest. Now not say guys, as I want to talk this thing. Una know say some people dey this life nobody reach them. You not be person when I go talk to. You not be person when I go measure his name. You not be person when I go measure her name. I beg some commenters now una even they put them for that level. Now so that they put some pastors for where they not supposed to be today. Where they say everybody can't get where everybody can't they get problem because they say pastors spoil the country. Pastors spoil here. Now all those followers may be the problem. Now then, be the problem. You understand? So all those my people then, hey, wele, Monica and what they call her, Monica and what do you call the other one? Monica with her friends. Monica with her friends. Una don't see them. Wetin that they make una people they understand eh? People wey no reach you, e go carry you, go disgwagwa you, go insult you because I say with their live video. People be say they live fake life. Una know say I first do the video. Lolo, Monica and Lolo. People wey no reach una level. Because they don't feel makeup, it don't feel makeup. Put one shower for body, go come out. They insult everybody. They destroy everybody name. Me, I know they fear anybody, oh. I know they fear anybody. I not gonna make sure your name you not rich. Who you better pass when you they live cover up life, smiling and suffering life. Who you better pass? Una not see the national and they tell una that time because I know they do human hair. My human hair, if I pack and come out for his house, now go run. When I do human hair, when I dey buy human hair, that time, if you no get 1,200, 800, 900, you no go fit carry human hair for head. People wey know me, they know wetin I dey talking about. People wey know me, they know what I'm talking about, and that will take use human hair. If you no get 800, 900, 1,000 plus, you no go fit carry human hair for head. Not be this time when you might come be 250 euro, you go put her for hair. That a gear. You short 150 euro, even when tie your hair. That one a gear. That time, that you might at that time. Now you take that 250 euro. Now you take feed the one when you fed your hair. Now you take feed the one when you fed your hair. Yes. Now that time, people when you know me now that time me take you how you my hair. So come and say she not dey carry human hair, she not dey dress, she not see me face to face. Now you go know who I am. I don't proud. I don't proud. Proud when you go proud today, you dey go party tomorrow, you dey shake. When you wash your hair now, I wear this one, so I feel weird and go anywhere because as I be, that's why I dey show. I know they show past myself say now me get heaven and earth. Who not get today go get tomorrow. You go get tomorrow. Now don't see the way where disgrace and shame take out two of their body. That time when I talk, Monica carry my picture come out. They begin to insult me. She with her friend. You understand? But I just tell her, insult me. I not be person. If I bring your nyash come out, if I do this one. Do you understand? What I see before. When I want it for Facebook, when I will call on this one. That one has something. That one not be something. One thing when I want to tell Monica and her friend Lolo, those fake life una they live. All those ones still open to everybody. Una say they pretend though. Una juice una math. I tell one of my friend though. She there here now. They tell her that I say Edeni ana agbe na wa mi. Okpa agbe le bu awu yan eva. Owi yan ti gwi, owi yan ti gwi awe ya make hin. Ogi seti o gele wa tell me now. So kind video there what they go do. I go call that my friend. I go see those people. See what happen for there. I go come fish on and come out. I go tell my friend. I go see they get jealous between themselves. That my friend they yes I they talk so. I say they jealous themselves between themselves. I go tell my friend. She go say, "We gele wa observe me eh? Why not they observe?" You understand? I said two of them the day when they go quarrel eh? All those ones when they gather they do so. All those ones when gather beating when they do so. The day when they go quarrel eh? Now how markets that day? How markets that day? Now Ray go pursue the house. But still yet, they say they pretend though inside this of VFVF when it open to the world, they say they pretend say they are still an Alpha and Omega. Who are they blame? And they blame the commenters. Who they never bring comments? Person like Monica, who by there on the 7 years at all, Mrs. No All, Waniki, Mrs. No All. Person like Monica, she is the Mrs. No All. Nobody reach Monica, nobody pass Monica, nobody be like Monica. Now she know everything. Today we call, no, Nyash never open. I will when I been a via. Una say everybody wanna they insult. They go enter house, go they sleep. Even though they sleep, God they judge una. God they judge una. God they look una. God they na. Oh bijou, you never bath now. I not feel make sure your name. I not feel watch your video. How you tell no wetin I talk? If you know they watch my video, how you tell no? How you tell here? You know they watch oh. You hear wetin I talk? Say I insult you. I insult you, you know, say I insult you, but you know they watch my video. I'm not rich. I be dirty woman. I be that bush girl. I be that local girl. That local lady. I not be girl, I be lady. I be that local lady. Who she be? I not feel makeup. Yes, I not feel makeup. Yes, I can't deny it. I not feel makeup. But today we call when I wear the makeup, shine face, blinking, nenemi. See you. It don't open. Our market now, Lolo and Monica, our market. Our market. Una go bring person picture come out. Una go destroy them. Una go their house. Una go they take their picture. Una go their house. Go view their family. Una go their own private life. Go they bring their audio come out. Eh? Now this say go just end like that. If you want to tell me now, you tell me say now you just use your mind say it don't do. Then me who were ye proud, who were ye boru, who were ye reward ye, who were ye reward ye who go via now. Who were ye ga mami gba who go back mo there. When Monica waro waje, emi en dek be patun aniki eh. Of via wo wa suffer and smiling. Or wa via wo wa via be wa or I love the no saloboa. Hell, I am a pattern no sema wa via wo. Sit there, look here, yari don no yasun. Eh yari don, comment à civil latia. What is your business? Why you don't reach Monica? Or darling no wale comment à sigbe. Why are you insulting Monica? You don't reach Monica level. Monica cannot fit talk to you. If you want to use Monica to see viewers, you want Monica to do this one. Oh my Monica ya me viewers. I not the boy ya me viewers. I'm not the no ya. Oh my ye ya take be money ya. Oh my ye ya take be do ga ile do you want to go why the year why am a pastor get the pastor na me we e pastor you love your call okun it's short or you kwe big ya the police you why ya do o man go say church the pastor fi 119 the pastor na figo why a church na eri a church the pastor na tangwa as I'm talking to you right now I am seeing somebody your mother is something like it's not too tall. Your father is something like is fair. Your brother is like I think your brother I see Joe that is Namisa. Now those one they don't follow. Now be the problem the commenters and the followers. The problem when we get for this world that the followers and the commenters be the people enter house now to they talk. Now not get husband not they talk to una when they talk all those one. Una wife they use una for his house. It goes stop nonsense come out from my head. For una to talk the truth, now go they take sight. Hey, it not good. It not good. See two of them now. They don't destroy themselves. Monica say in they take a mercy for big hearts. Una know what it be big heart problem. What did they bring her? What did instead they come and they shout? What did they bring big heart? They bring down. What did they cause? That one they cause. That one can lead you to heart failure. Yes, if you don't know, I'm telling you the truth. Heart failure it can lead you to it. So I'm telling people, if I take or say, I'm gonna give you a problem. So what means I give you a problem? When you are wall or cocoa doing woman, you know when you are wall or any other issue, what to go to you. Now people be want to do you if you don't know. Thank God in Europe with say, now save you. Now save you. Dirty people. Now they suffer, now they take medication, now they call people. This warrior. Una they suffer. Una they take medication. Now go come out, they stop people, they call them medication depression people. Whereas una not get peace for our house. Una not get peace. Una not get rest. Una not get joy. Now what they use now, they stop everybody when they sit down in you. It's not good. See una now. Everywhere don't open. Everywhere don't nyanya. Wele. Everywhere don't nyanya. Everywhere don't open. Now don't see una still yet. Now see they pretend. May I tell you? A Monica whatever. No, emi gbe me no mi any bet. How do that ya? Oh, yeah, the Monica ki esema. See who they thought of me. You they thought of me. Who were beg boguwa. A lot of roga iware. A lot of so bebo. Oh yeah, boy, back up. Maybe na waka na mo be a lot of maybe I go out because I was able. Oh, go out me. Maybe I want to ebe no ni gbeba e gwa gbe gwa tie me wa se bo emu ebe me ni gbe wa be gbon gba o gba part 1 Wawa mumeni tie o be gba part 2. Maybe the place of the environment no na nware. O na we wa yazebo kaka boveri o maybe where always je school gbe oni ga ila do ye English do have wa you feel it agbe gba I feel it wa ma egun wa agun uwa agun itan wa e wa fi na dede iro ka mo se me wa ma egun uwa wa ra ya ende gbugba ara mi eri ata wa ra ya ende gbugba wa we bobo ya ma keyin ara mi eri ata ara mi eri ya sunu e wa ra ya ende gbugba wa na destroy bia wa na destroy ko e don't bother wa e mo ka ori o pa ra gbon na ti break yen down yo pa yen ti mi ro pa o no gbin yen gbe we na mi wo wa ri kun wu gbegbe ugwari kun ya suppress hearty we wu gbegbe we emi wa wu social media ma go e na e go for 3 days no ri ukun no relax no bi o ba gbon yere we wa wu ah god la wa gwi give vanobo wa gwi me na no verse at the chat awu monoro takbe ti ga ya yo ma bi e bo go so se na mi e bu pon e ma gbon na kin o e ma gbon na kin that there was some of them they go now that there was some of them human hair now people that really know me again me have they go to ye ban me ye go to me ye vai e me ye ye asopa e go no lack of money eri o wan touch na ye ni go to me ya collect yes it's my god iye mu egbe me ye go to mu egbe ya ro wo baba e ti mo wa ga gboru o wa fianya gbegbe fianya gbe wa ga ni fianya gbe si yuwa ifa gbe ni wa ga ni fianya gbe si yuwa ifa gbe ina ta mo se me ina we yan na ti gui o we o na go te so de pa ma o ka pa na me ta ma mo pin o we era we ra go gbe yes ina we era we to ka pa ma we ga ni we o se fa na do aro se fa no we yan gui yana do aro o yana we ro be ro no se ti si eso ni yan na wa pe o yana we o se fa na yana yo pe ro no se ti si eso ni yan esunu yana nya yana tile esu na ya le kokoko na wa mi egbe tu wa kin agwiban ana do mi ewe yan fa na ana do mi ewe yan fa na yana do esu na do la wepo esu gi ili bae ogwo na arobona esu na do bibi yobona ona gboru yobona dami o esu gi bibi yobona ona gboru yobona ogwo na reti averiana esu na li bae gbera ona roe ogwo ma dege won yin wa gbera bo wa bibi wa ja o wa mi era gbon yin owa ibi owo ru ogbeja o de no ibi ibi o oru no kele we bi no kele oru no kele ibi no kele o to ogegbe emi me wa dege no kele we isha kime ku wa to oge na me ma ruwa o de no ye to ogegbe emi ye wa dege utawiye e we na tawiye to ogegbe ye ma to ogegbe o no ke wa ti fe bo no ke we igbina na wa so ye fa na so igbina yana so erigbina ya de no se vani esu ina la de wa ma wa ti gbina mi pero no se zo no wa that is Monica and Lolo iye va wi yan ti gwi iye va we bo iye kede e ti me mu wa wori o ime mu wa wori o because any Monica wa je I too big ni yan fi gbe omuro pa ma 7 me am we ta ko be ba ye ori o pada gbon na but nobody ye mu la ti o ta gbon na de no e 7 no e ba yin am we no do gbe da yin ero ori o pa ro no e ba yin one day ni o wa e the top Mrs. No All Monica lo waro Mrs. No All egbe part 1 egbe okian we Monica akmadu oya you ya suppress heart oge o man to stay away for 3 days for 1 week no ya relax heart oge ni ogu orikun ogarikun eje oye ladian kage egbin yegbe ona ga igun we bi etamawe lare gumeta mawe inya eken oviedo wa ki Monica maze eken no wi ye jeto inya no gbu koko o jaje Ladian Robieme, I know you can do that. Ladian Robieme, this is Jesse Gwale background me. You want me a test story of me? Then me a test story of me we are le. Ever unu. When you quay me, my quay Ladian social media could come when I want to make him. Then you bebo, what it bebo there. What's that even now? Oh, wait, what are they? See the part of you. That will never buff. I don't be shut up there. Oh, what you want, Bebewa, or Hiagu. Monica might is your waja. No real Saturday where. Oh, what say, what are you in social media? A makeup you can't forward, Kia, we are short die makeup. You short die, yeah. Why me make up if baby oh. Now the mule is not koko. Let me watch na iwa be latia. Even make copy. Iwa be latia be na ebode. Wanna live a fake life. Why marriage why destroy the social media? Why marriage why destroy the social media now? Marriage. Wow be. Wow be. Wow be. Why destroy ya? Why destroy okwo? Why mu hope ya ladian? Why mu hope ladian? Why wo he ya fefe no wa fe ladian? Wa me wo he gbe niki. Wo he gbe. Uwi go ya fefe uwi eki ya fefe no wa fe ladian we. Wa go free radio. Emma nia. Emma Monica gemi agbu egbe gemi agbu egbe. Emi e de gbu egbe yeye. Emi oyin me lolo emi le gbe lolo gbe so we. Emi le gbe lolo gbe so we. E de gbu egbe. Wa iwa lati obi tawa. Ibi say mommy, sister we say una no na odame kugwe ke manilelu odame owadame marobi gwanilele o gwanigele wa believe ye Monica destroy life odame nu gwaniwo emese wa bere ba ye ogunme ya ge no beta odame odame emi gbe Monica gbe ekwe inemenia ekene Monica na serious yo la den of this guagua honor this guagua honor this lolo honor this nyaga honor this asa we neme di me Monica he do guagua wa we can gbegbe mewa mama dege me Monica he do guagua wa we can ya gua oseni awa ibara we na aseme wa ya tai me an real life video. I don't know language in here. My I'm gonna have the language here to me majorly. My enemy. What's the language here? Oh, Marie Bo. Oh, no, can I do good make one? Maybe make a war. Oh, no, can I good make when we can back me war. If we make book work, if you're ready now, what was the way? If you're ready now. Ọmọ egbu egbe we do gu me go we ya gbegbe mu a o do we la fi te we ke ya gu wala agogbo wala iye do ga ti you we hello Monica that one na full na Monica we say oni o me ni kini ha Monica therefore am gbon ni kini ha oh no ya me viewers Monica, yeah, that only we're going to go on. Only no one only a quay. And Monica, why we are to do. What that was full of Buba. Eh? And Monica says it where? And Monica says it Boba, and the Monica will make up if you eh? Oh, what you make up if you are? Well, where? Hey. Oh, whoa. Wala wala iye Europe wala wo e Monica wo ge ma je threatening e ma threatening e ri agbo assassin working nene mi working when you say what I mean e wa me gwe je mi anya di with we iwe ni amu we lo bi awa ya sam mo wa sam pian iye nja sam mo we kebe agbo wu because wa gu be ri oni e ma ni if it's only part 2 already Latin on hate awa ye we la ya sam mo we kebe pian aya sam pian we kebe ne e part 2 already Latin ere agbegbo won wa cause agbegbo won wa e fi mi ni e tough because uriator ya ku gbe o wa ne agbonu fian ye inu egege uria ejunu ne a o wa se o ri yo ado mo di video Latin ere ati we te gbo my Monica agbewa wa eta wa agbewa gidi eri ni a e part 2 wa e di video no ga e di video ni e ma uga gbe egwa nuga ga na oje hati we ya digba una ga hati we la ga fun ona ga gba e hati we la do enyenye e hati we la do etiti e hati we la do be le bo ni kai owe ga ewu ne go ti gan owo ye ofun gbe ya be e hati we la do be nu ya ga egwewe e hati we la ga be ona do be a lovely wese o lovely e ki oja wese le gbe wa mi le dopa e Monica wa le live video o wa de o wo wese le gbin wese love we gbe mi na ninu wu ni so lo ba kan de ba we o so lo ba kan gba o de we o lovely so lo ba kan gba o de we na mi wo ti deliver o de life na we mi o mo so lo ba set ya deliver ma o mi o pa da gbon na so lo ba ti lo ya deliver ma lovely west so lo ba kan deliver Monica so lo ba deliver that mo we so lo ba deliver o wa we o wa ma wese gele ti abonu e o wo ze be gbin yi wala wo wa ya le bo yen ikata wa le bo yen no fe kere e ma ni gulo gege bun gbe ba gbon na wala wa ta Monica a de gbugbe wa o ku nu we e wa gbon asan wa ya piopi wa we ye one room for 1 week awa ya sa pepe we ai gbu ene ai jasa bolu egbu ane ai amu amenu o ya ku e ube ku e u ga ku ave mu ba no nu we ube u ga ibe ne ube he gwere awonu lobi ye ube bi ye wa gbagba o we gbe mi e do wa fitu ai gbugwe wa de mu hu o ma be ni meje na ya tu te gbo onu enu we je me be na ya ti tu we he emi gbu egbe ma die gemi agbu egbe gemi wa agbu egbe gekwe amu gekwe arua o mi kemi ya no le lugbe ki afa the best no le na me kian olaga 0 emi kemi ya fa wa le lugbe ya na the best no ile la me kian ya fa ya na 0 o ma verio awo ma verio ni wo get as be wọ́n sá di mena ogugwe yele wa perfect iyo bo perfect e face wa perfect o gwa nu jo perfect e address wa perfect e panty nu jo e ya perfect e monu we bio perfect we age lo ri bi e o nyaga because ogugwe nwa na ni ari e voice yan me die okwo no bi we bo na we bio me ha e ha na wa de perfect ya ga opa ozu ogugwe kekere o opa ozu ogugwe le we bo na ogugwa bie e mo ya no bie e ya no wa de perfect iye needs bie opa na ga ozu ogugwe ya check opa na ga ozu ogugwo me ha ni u bio me ne u we very responsible opa ozu ogugwe because e mewe bo na oragbo ya gbe ya yakin e money mana gbera be ne 10 years jene ni ase that kind 10 years ne wetin e dere o money stop o money gbera 10 years no ya misbehave we na to atawe o kana ya unyaga every be ka je na some people don't let go so children when they let go am every be ke so ibe we ti gbe men we di pa e fi we go de gbe life is like that we ajo mo gioma wani jo mo gioma keke wani mo ebo mo gbo ma e manu wa fi we ri e bo unyi ni bieka ni wa ya giera bije e meso wa da bije ya gele decent but even here was stubborn. Or mommy, what automatic bag of money, eh? No gear war. Or mommy, what automatic bag of money, no gear war. Well, you got borrow, eh? Well, you got borrow. If well, no one may have 1 minute, a weapon now. Who buy him here? I met him at school, I met a playing at a church. Up, Babuya, eh? Or most one. A daughter my editor, eh? Or most one, eh? Up, Babuya, most one, because of Mobaro, na Miewe, or Waffle now. What if your man have your men in the web, your Mr. Webo, who will say, say what can get too responsible, or say you were not responsible? Who they tell you that kind of thing? Why now they judge small children when they come for life, small children when never start life, when never return years, never 15 years. Then where can our mom misbehave or mature in 12 years, 13 years? You don't want your misbehave from 10 years, never change your character. Or more than 15 years, no, you are misbehave. We not work out of your stop on the cell, eh? Oh, you can want to be a baby or a baby. We are the mommy, I want to drink water. Mommy, I want to drink water. I'm already over with your magic one. Eh? Oh, I mean, we're not bear, Nebuere. Ebuede. Wala go. Wala destroy the can you ever came in there? Wala destroying your man who was figured. Eh? Why, Mama, of you, why you take me? Why you are away, Febo? Why you take me? Why you are away? You as a mother, you as a father that doing that. It's not good. Change from it. Those children, they are innocent. When we are not when we are then why not kuse if you are to mom if you are not why see we a lot of if you are your talk who destroy you unu inoni me we can go on me na gbegbe mewa we can tell me me can go ya wu we can tell me ya go avie then why not kuse we no be your talk who destroy you no wa kai mi dey who destroy life in ya where the women go back me avie mo ka mo gugun mo gugun ni emi da igbu egbe no ke do gbe megbe emi na igbu egbe no ke do gbe megbe o ma igbu egbe me wo gbe megbe o fi no ru egbe me igbu egbe so for that is it le gbe megbe ke do na ti bi o kan kere que when I think gossip of your kakere, or be a lot of naked, net to where we are going to make the guy say 5 years, getting no 4 or many young heads of we should that can 4 to 5 years. Or we are going when you're setting a more like the anchor where a west stubborn, a reactive where we squad down there, and then we be a kind of work in the if you can't have no better where a minister where, eh? Yeah, while fear no fear with a bear. If you're going to tell me, I will respect your teacher. I will tell me when your teacher is telling you it's okay. Don't insult your teacher, don't insult your senior, don't insult your mommy, don't insult your daddy. Eh? I'm on a back what they feel what a bear was say, no, don't fear your mom, don't bear one there. Tifu. Oh, but you want a mona be your meha, your mene, and I want me where. Ana mi wo better na complain la wo go ya wo le doctor tell us am we iya ma normal iya ma almost to mi o pa we no we prove stubbornness almost to mi o pa we no we ka we le almost to mi o pa we no we don't want to talk yes almost to mi o pa we mania o tu wa wo bi ra gbagui o tu wa wo bi ju gbagui o tu wa wo tun gbagui mo bo gbibi e ti bi e yo e ro bi e ju we o ma ka bi ka na o we mo bo di me believe wo ri o ba gira gbo na ni ya neme omo mo bi o bu mo bo nu ati e bo no bi e ro we ma fi weria obi ona e ma ipono bi gwa jo e maka upono waka eto ngwa muju ho eri no ma me mi ya no ma me know is fake What's the ever that is the spirit of jealousness. I'm not jealous. And your way good about other people. I'm not jealous. No, the spirit of jealousness. Jealousness is heavy. You are. And good about other people. Then we Japan. I mean, open your friend. That's the bagua. Many people have a wala. Have people. Man, where if you're Latin. Well, when any magmo. Am I where? So don't if you're Latin. Don't work out again. Of course, if you be better person, let me talk to you. Where? Or you no better person like Monica. E boy no we mi ati e mo foundation do na mo to na do we match e una gwo no ni ya ma we gwali ya ala mi ya we fe umuere e boy ni te usia la to mo da dia wo to mo so we ni ha ku gwa ke lolo no se we e de le na iwa mai gba wa ne ni a amai gba wa ne ni a Orion Babylon of Yama, Orion Babylon of Yama, making a money kaje. This one not rich, this one not rich, this one not rich. Now let Monica rich. Nobody rich. Big wife, you rich for money, you rich for body, you rich for food, you rich for everything. Everything about you is a word. Other people is zero. Orion Babylon will hold him man, you want to give man. You want to give man. You are not ma. Every Allah no quota gue. Book my agara Monica. No lagua, let me to the most yari who they ask you a man of your tom. Only a genuine make beware. A man of your son, yari say, relax. Ya relax everywhere. Only a better not take work one. Only a better no some of that. E color na mose e color na o ma sabe color we ukmono na ja effect no wa mi won wa dukmono de o wa kan we Facebook o ma wa gbe bata nu wa gba o wa kan we Facebook o ma wa wo mo gbe eto nu muju won ma wa mo ju o wa kan we Facebook ija adega me ba bia o tam amogbu pa we ko wa woni ate wa we the company wa wo go pa kan ni ele kin no ma we o wa o the company who did the company who has sir? And don't say what okay. Emmanuel, a lot of give you a variety because in this way a lot of like of the world say where we very anania, where we very anania every oh say me better video so where the video so a lot of Latin. All the always say it yourself where the video na give no sununa. Or say where anyone anania. Iwe give no sunu ga lolo makoye video na give no sunu give ni eva wo me die ya nde bebe o do we vie picture we latia wa vie picture we latia mo wa JC mo JC ugi agbe eni ni awon agbe ni kiwe webo that is not my name. You understand? Vie picture we latia go to anywhere, don't give a damn, don't give a fuck. Mo sa ni na to tell you, hey, get where, and you know about Bonano Fona. Nobody is perfect. Orago Yagbe, a family me or of Yaviano, or who were of Yaviano. Everybody is carpets. Everybody. I mean, about a perfect for. Then you got to who Egbe. You do they show yourself, say you soon know. Now that one they talk to me, you not rich. This one not rich. The ever ya know if you like the list ya mene ya la tell dokpa ni no we no no rich we ya what ba rich the we bona what ba ma bona what ba responsible we bona what ba won do no mo se we bona what ba won do no wetin dey what ba won do no nego se what ba bi omo no ma se what ba gbegba na what ba bi omo no clever se what ba bi omo no humble ha Monica gbere iwo gbere iwa ebi ala loko gbere iwa emi won le ro egbe o se na kajo we family asoban egbe mi o wa we ro ore egbe ni mekere la go go wa mu ne re wa mwenya go uwa mwenya go ube ko be luwe ube jenwe ube ri ameke o ube o we nu abe tanare ma ube o do mani agbegbe wa ube o de oga provoke mani ube o de be mani here fi he ube o we boya destroy marriage o ya marriage ni buwa we bo will destroy their marriage eka marriage ma wa to do si ko ri rogo to ni ya lue roba ya ku ke mi ya ga that la go ya bome o ni na bo kan ya bome eta do ya da lo roba eta do ya da lo ko will destroy marriage ya fa wa we bo we have peace ya pray for forgiveness my problem o then go and pray for forgiveness ya pray for forgiveness why we make get latin il ga latin ko to wa latin ba ko wa fi picture we latin vi audio we latin vi ni ya fe latin me be say ya we me be we about to send egbe we ma we nla gogo e ga claim to know atumo egwe oluwa ga no ya digba o man na a big heart big heart problem or little heart failure we need the rest at least we want the rest for good one year who wa ya we want the rest for good one year who gele wa we who wa relax Monica ogwe tu agbe ma ya fe nu wa gbe kan ya fe awe ikwe bogie ogbe trailer awe commentators ne gbagbo ma ko eku emugwa wa nu ya ma se Monica wa ni buwo nu ya ma se Monica ya bi Monica emugwa ro luwa nege ya dame e picture wa la tava Monica kelomana consider ne lolo wa yon e kele Monica mona consider ne lolo o wa Monica is finish Monica na me na my lady na o wa Monica is finish e kelomana consider ne lolo o wa Monica ofo wala gogo wala ka fi weria we commentators wa bi aka man no we afi we the followers of wa ta man no fi we here wa ga man no fi we here wa ga be bi anjo wa te gbe Monica wa no we na ya have big hearts wa te gbe wa na wa bobo ejo wa me ora iwe la fi jo fo lori en soto e mo ya lo fi ola tian ori en soto obi e ki an ku owo lo ati stop ye lo Monica igwa dia me igwa straight e mo ga ro straight e for we na kere jari kobo ne o igwa straight e mo ga Monica straight e me gbe o dia me Mrs. Perfect o perfect gbe I hate you so lo wa ju in short imagine la go ya fi we then only one my egbe kan se wona pa tele kan we gbe kan la gogo pala wa fi we ria e lolo no we Monica block this one Monica no block e one ya Monica block this one Monica me I said that for you see you shame on you woo Monica go le polo while na go le lowe o ri wo no tayo we lo pa kan dan o go le lowe Monica lu we de awo mi ya ye gu ye wu mo Monica lowe de we mi Monica go le lowe Monica ije na go tin we ke ni Monica ri tawe gbo na gbo ya kan jaji if you don't know it now you know oni akun mi at least o se fana akere we je odo ba mi wa o se fana akun na ge lo ke de ye tuti e ri e la tin ba yu we ri oni o se me mi nu na ma guwe mo bowo do ba me beje odo ba me na fi ori o va ko lo be fi uhun go ko gbagbo ya ko lo be fi uhun go popa at least una we go se we no ma gba we ta me gbe so na me are la fi just me call me awe na iwa e cut many times like that it does say yakia Monica we come down no pa Monica cannot come down wa do alada do atawe Monica is a loyal friend that am why loyal Aka mwa lawyer friend no. The Monica na lawyer. Aka mwa. Monica comes down now. She don't want to come down. Hey, or one fet or one worry. Hey, or one worry. But she will not want to come down. Or one fear you have a baby. She will not. She cannot agree. She cannot agree whether or not you have a baby. You have a box there. Okay, I don't know who. But he will still come out with that depression and be saying, he did say that way. That's why you want to. That's why you want to. He doesn't you want to continue. But that's okay. Okay, Bobby, are you cool? Monica can't stay just for one year. We are the last boy. Stay only 1 year. We are the last boy. Now go come out. You want this Monica viewers? Oh my Monica, I am a viewers. Oh my Monica, I am a viewers. Oh my Monica, ya Latvia. If you don't know what that's for, a man beg. Ni measure, ni we make because if you don't know smooth dying, you might see a quarrel. Eh? I might see a quarrel. I'll see your mula Zamania. I might tell your most year that feels your well. Or Bole Latvia. Here was your SC Latvia. A lot of Bole Latvia, Bolela Latvia. Utania Matia, Nia Ketiazana. Immediately, I'm saying we agree. Here over 6 months, okay, the Latvia. No, not a Muslim. We are Mezor. We are Mezor. We get a sumu. We never time. Oh, yeah, and the mema send the videos of you where we here now we will be. Here now, and they drag. And the one here, ya go on. On that is the one in which you know the jealous leg. Ofia one driving license Monica what motor. Oh, what Monica do fear your boyfriend, Bema, and now go with the time of nay, na me. Let me say, na truth, na truth. What she, Monica told you what the ane, Monica, when I'm who call you, where to go, Monica is. Oh, we are who call, what you do. Where I got one of your party, Upon the Monica, very okay, no. Upon that bugger, we are in Navena. Eh? When you want the followers or intimate, when you follow us, Monica take my cabal, a lovely norma, a love no about the barrackmo, or give a zeal. I don't want a Facebook, why here, why the seven a Monica, you wear depression, big heart today, away depression, where big heart, and away name and look at raw. Depression, where big heart, I look at raw. Or why even big heart, no dwell with at least when we were just doctors of no time, who relax on good 1 year, who were anything trouble, stay away from it. And I want to like the one in trouble, no one issue. Who was stay away near, who can live your relaxed anywhere. Elway needs, we may then need to again now. Whether you are my needs, and all is too much. And there's nobody to think work. Nobody no work one of boy, I take work, Bill. Come on, go to where you are back. Because whether you are loving when you do what I have for, or not have for, who do what I have more, who not how you do, who not how you do, who not how you do, who not how you do. Or you do what when we pass through near, when we pass, when we pass through near, big hearts, when not say big heart, that's not about just also pop, also expand. Do you know what it tastes? You need to rest. Only 1 year. Who relax? Who gonna be here? Who relax? Relax they were. Man need all those things now. Relax they were. And not the one level talent. Where was to be at talent? One who? Where? Who will go to brain, man? Where was to be at talent? So we can tell us where who got the problem was about Kabuta. Monica. Gary a good between. Gary good bakery. Gary me on a bag bebo. Gary a take away on a bag bebo. Gary good. Work back boa. By social media. Work back boa. By live video. Work back boa. By viewers. Wa gune bono mi no to common way iya ni baba le we na iya o dan ya mi jwa we iya gata fi wala wa ya to ki we nu ze okay nu ya gba oge gbu nu mi na ze okay wa we la te bo we no gun a egbe o mi o ni water sin e time ni take ya gbu we gun na ni a no ya la ze we say when we mo lovely no that we mo me wa we la te bo do ro ye me wa ge ta we no wa to na no wa me sure na she no rich. I mean, I'm not rich. I mean, I'm not rich. Nobody rich. Nobody Monica Benegwe because of viewers Monica wa gbegboa Monica viewers ọ̀dánenue gbe fi wọ́n là wọ́n yà kọ́kọ́ mọ́ ní ọ̀yọ̀dà fún wákì kò ní kí wọ́n dọ̀ ẹgbẹ́ mẹ́rin ayé gbọ́ bí ọkàn kẹ́rẹ́ ìrí bí ọ̀dọ̀ra rúdàwẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ rúdàwẹ́ ìbí ọkọ̀ ra ẹgbẹ́ rí bí ọkọ̀ ra Monica láwòwò rẹ́sì rúdẹ́mọ̀ ọmọnáwẹ́ rúdí mẹ́nà gbọ́nà rúdí wẹ̀ ẹ̀wọ́ ẹ̀mí wọn jẹ́ gbámẹ́sà wọn no relax who get kwega muwe who bet in the social media now who destroy anyone ibune umwe na ni bo wari ane umwe ni ane egbe ni bu sieso ye yane Monica la gogo ibu de don ye nu e ma ti e bo nu e ose wa la ti ane ose wa ewe ba ata eye owe timia ose wa la ti ana odo ahi odo ado na ti egwe na na ma dagi me live video like tv ma tv you were who is this that is the live video what tv you were tv you were bo at least ibu da ni yen na o gbo wa no o we say siga ma uwe no ado ya mo me ba na wa do ro bi me no ado ya mo me ba na wa do ta ma me we I never reach wa do ta ma me go and look at your kitchen wa ewe bo na my dear ewe bo na we tin le lock we mo wa no mo se we me lock we mo wa no we mo se aso a wo ma do me ti se me rete me ma de ni me do ya de lo to do lo kun le la lo ti ma dejo ya ke baba ko e ti ogun e fi opa e ke ni very e ti bi awon Monica la wo we ke nuri ri ame gbe ya kara wonu gbe ye gbe nu ya gba ogiwu e gbe ka viemo la wa bi oda fun la wa e yo da fun wa ki o bi anegi mo ko ge baba na wu ki an la te bonu gbe we se wo awe la te do ro ri eme wo ado la te go kan down we she dey down we dey talk na no see am no say she be me go bring a video e me ni je e fi we there me ni je me na ni je o to e kan. If no say next boy is sort of a live video, you go to be your man because the man like a distance because he ya want me face to face. My work ba wa gun our face egbe. La wo go gbe next boy egbe. Vi wo la wa mo, the other phone la wa mo gba ogi we mo. Eko nu gba wa je na elo. E ha tu go na me gba lo re gbe mu ya ni no mi gba na wo don le ni a. E pe nu don le ha tu wo re gbe ya gba wo we is another problem. O ga see those for na banana. Here me make doctor si mami o bo e doctor si ya me fe gba o ma ni coronavirus mu ono wa crisis ona baba no wa me o wa ri be kan wa fi suffer la wo do mo na ru do ma we eru da we wi gun na ru di bu e nu fi mo la wa do da fon la wa ya gba ogiyan we dey break ka me who dey break ka me social media people who dey break over me last year 100,000 of viewers won la so e mo nu bi e riyan la wa won ave Mrs. Noah e Monica lolo no wetin that one you ma but what that one you ma wana ri po ya fefe yo godore wana ye yakin no rilu ke roba eku emugwa edele no gi vie yin yakin please accept my apology we ma ya Emma le jare wa destroy wa la we ogwe ma wa isanse yawa wa yin mi anania wa ya belolo wa ya bo be no be yin ana wa gbe tin mi an be ni yin na Monica ke no ka mo ri o pa no sorry me trust Monica oga Mrs. Noah o to ga mo we sorry Monica le din ha tin yin ni we wa gba ni wa gba ni ya we sorry wa burst ni Monica ya we sorry o wa burst abe ne gbe ma ko be na ne gbe ma ko na Sharon Stone o da menu o di menu we Monica de o no eze no gbe Monica de nu Sharon Monica de nu Monica de nu we e kan na ti we lolo no na we ya maka o working o we disaster no kwa kin ano Monica o ga ri we la disaster no kwa working akin ji ipo ya fefe kin egi won to wodo oye no my responsible ya mweri yari ya was yo ege lolo ya mweri yari ya gbeti why gbeti ni na what wa baweri oni what wa have peace no peace for the wicked one eh no peace for the wicked one wa ever pass through now ever is not amosele we o we pray fool you know it matter but now no way I can pray fool gamuti ane leni ya e pray my fully ane April my fully and then sit to the every water my be afefe is directly e the girl with here the girl can say the girl the girl that we move when we ga look at we bu egbe o ma ni e lolo no abi e blessing no e mercy and me sunu ye e ba ke the girl can say a friend can say don't we gugun ayin ave mumu followers wo we be gugun we gugun e we wa gugun it's not good for you Monica change Monica change make you enter house I beg you what did they have the best way they call me una know say I know they drop my phone number my person they call me for live video because they do my they face my own for night they face am so I know they drop my phone number call they contribute they want me anybody they contribute if I don't talk my own I go enter my house and so they talk my own no verse say I don't carry your phone say I know they like am I go know say now let me talk to you say if they look for where you want insult person you go come they like am na make me I know they drop am as I just talk to them now I know say now let me talk to them the girl you know every friendly every my lady every my friendly okay the girl Monica gbere gbo egbe no you wa da se nene ninia o we amu ne baby we eni ara mi gbo wa mo ni ne baby we no lo ma so we respect ni o ye ki we respect ni that one no ni no bi gwe o ye ki we tell respect o go ma tell respect ni gwe we respect ni ni gwe mu no bi o hani I know insult all Benin women. I cannot insult all Benin women. I can't try to insult all Benin women because not be everybody be like Monica. I can't try to, mommy. Okay, mommy. Okay, maybe na another person. Another person. They know they might now. All those ones they don't die. All those ones don't die for erosion now. They not be dead there. I felt like I just said they worry about 10 people when they get fake accounts. So la wo go Monica vie mo la wa ya ri la save mi wan je ya gba mesa won nu ri la sun vie mo la wa mo yo da fun wa la wa ge ari bi odora very early it's not good there's a lot of spirit boy can forgive you where honor that way like grave no ma kan a spirit of can forgive you where won vie mo la wa nu ti o wa ja mo la wo go iwa yen le to adoro bi ene o nu aya we we say when ya me love me surprise what lot of we now we lovely we say ari we gun akana ugu ne lovely na we latin lovely so about dey ba we say gbe Monica we say awe mi no we mi eku o we lovely is the gbin wa ya wa we say o awe ra mi abi jebe tsenwe wa ya wa we say wa ma we say wa ko mi mo no la may God bless you all. Baba yo, edi what I say, I will time. Time we be now ya be line there now. And then it be 1 hour 48 minutes, almost 2 hours. It was now ya be now because we have one can boom. I know you. I go talk your story. I go bring your picture. Who you help? I know you. I go help. Who you help? The one where is your now? Like when we can remember we have to talk my way. I know you people. Where did you put on my when we carry? Talk my way. Obishi me no wala tabetelena. Iga niewa ya sie. Am I go my way? I know you people. Why agbede gbo wa egbe Monica la wo my dear. Go and change. That will not turn in whoever that from where. On the respected ni nu no wo ni. Monica inu hope way because of that your charge respect that name la go more respect that name when what do cause a disaster like mona where tell we give your honey point nini where tell mo nini na emma wani robi biere mu robi obiere wa ga robi biere o wa la go ibu de not me e do bien wa ma robi wa o imaro bi wa e sharon imate tie bonu e na ge to zoom zan sharon ba igupa imana ma tie bonu mo ro pasin ibuderie no bia ibuderie no ku iro bi ari oba ibuderie na ari oba ibuderie do de monica kekere lolo no fi o e ni gbota gbokun we so Facebook ni ri ani obi ari ani oku ibude do ri oni yen ye ti le ro bi yan ibude do ri ani yan e sharon hu ye best friend of yan dete lolo ni ki o abi monica ino ya kefe kakanti ma ala gbogbo mo la wa fi we lo wa fi we ni ge ajeri oni yen ge ga ọ̀rẹ́ mama se noro wọ́n ní time we fi we dey gbe go back wa gbe go back no de kun wo gede gbe wọ́n igu wa kun ne o okun wa ya we mi o okun wa we na that dirty woman talk to me na that bath and na that woman wey never clean the house na that woman wey never eat na that woman wey mouth be like this na that woman wey hair be like this na that woman wey get tiny leg na that woman wey be igbere na that woman wey be agada na that woman wey dey open toto na that woman wey dey open nyash obun wa iniki o iguwa gwane agwara gwan ahon mari hon eri ame agwan o wa wese wa baba yi iteme iwe ra me bi je me bi won ni Facebook yo we ke dokpa